Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, we're going to be unstuffing my cash envelopes from my wallet. And we're going to restuff them for the week. And we're also going to stuff some priority sinking funds and my vacation binder. Is that something you're interested in? Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? Yes, it's time to stuff some envelopes. Let me just say, I love this system. And I love you guys. This budgeting community. Baby, when I tell you, we are on fire. We are on fire. I just watched Money with Gab video, and she talked about how the process of her and her husband saving $20K for the emergency fund, and she was very transparent and open about, you know, the highs and lows of saving that amount of money for her and her family. And she also lets you know it was not easy, but like I always say, it's not easy if you don't have the money and then the emergency come, and then it's not easy preparing for it. So you have to choose which uncomfortable situation you prefer to be in. I'd rather be prepared. So I really appreciated her video. I'll link her video in my description box. Go check her out. Tell her Mrs Vee sent you. So yeah, so today we're going to be stuffing a total of $613. $200 will go to my cash envelopes that I stuff every week. That's just the money I allow myself to keep in my wallet weekly, and the $413 will go into my sinking funds. So let's go ahead and empty out my wallet. So I just did a track my spending. Let me do my change first. This little organizer is down below in the Amazon storefront if you're interested. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and put these coins in here. I got a lot of coins because I spent a lot of money. If you watch my tracking my spending for November the 5th through the 11th, yeah, Mrs Vee been enjoying herself. But yeah, that's what I save my money for, is to spend it. I didn't have any no spend days. That's okay. You know, I'm all about giving yourself grace. One thing about it, you can always try again. So yeah, so we're gonna put this change in here. So I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm having a great day, enjoying my traveling assignment. People are very nice. Even the physicians are nice and helpful. I mean, it's just like, you know, the hospital I normally work at. They're nice too. They're my people. I love them too. But yeah, it's just great to have a new environment and everyone seems so helpful. So yeah, we got that done. So now we're gonna unstuff our wallet. Yeah. So we had $10 left from household. Everything else was empty. We had $10 left from spending. So that's all we had left this week was $20, and I'm not even gonna roll this over to a sinking fund like I normally do. What I'm gonna do with this, I'm going to Bath and Body Works and buy me a candle and get one free today. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. I may have to add some, of course, but them candles like $24.50. Yeah, I could wait till the candle sale, but I don't want to. You know, I love to say that on my channel. I don't want to. I got some money saved up for the candle sale too, but for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and get me 2 with this. So let's restuff our wallet. And before we do that, if you need a bank teller tracker, check out my Etsy shop. They're pretty much buy one get one free, because when you purchase one, I give you one. So I know this total is not $613 what we have here. The rest of it is for my savings challenge. So yeah, check my Etsy shop link in the description box if you need a bank teller sheet. So let's go ahead and get started. So for Dollar Tree, $15. I'm gonna give myself 15 ones. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we got Dollar Tree, yeah. And next we have groceries. I'm gonna do 2 20s and 2 5s. 2 20s and 2 5s. Gonna be $50. I plan on buying some groceries this week for my traveling assignment because I just ate too much. I mean, like too much as far as like fast food. Personal is $10 and household is $10. So I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 20s and put one in personal and one in household. Then for eating out, I'm gonna do 2 5s and 5 1s for $15. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 10 is 15. Hopefully, Arby's got their milkshake machine fixed, so I can go get me a milkshake for $1 from 2 to 5. We balling, but we on a budget over here. Okay, spending. We're gonna do the 10 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's my $100 for the week. So this is all my money I got ready for the week. So we're gonna go ahead and get into my little vacation binder. I'm stuffing this because my husband's birthday is New Year's Eve and he want to go to New Orleans for his birthday. So we gonna stuff this. And so what I'm thinking is I'm getting reward points for staying in the hotel, you know, for my traveling assignment. I'm hoping I have enough so our trip to New Orleans will be free. That's the plan. So yeah, I'm all organized over here. Oh, that's vacation. No, that's not right. I gotta do 5. So I have housing, food, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I don't count this. I just put it in here, and then when we get ready to go on our trip, you know, if I need to add from my buffer account or, you know, from one of my envelopes or something, I try to do anything but use my credit card. But now I am using my credit cards only when I have that amount in my envelopes to get rewards points. So I'm getting reward points everywhere. I'm getting reward points with, well, I'm getting points with Fetch. I probably get a free gift card there. I can get like a Visa gift card to help with the trip. I'm getting reward points with my hotels. I'm staying at 2 different hotels, so I get reward points there. And I'm also getting reward points with my credit card. So hopefully that trip will be almost free. That's what we aiming for, but I'll let you know. So that was vacation. And now we're gonna do my high priority binder. And the only thing we're gonna stuff in here is car, because we just dropped my husband's car off. I've already done the tracker, so we got 400, so we're gonna add 163 today. I just dropped my husband's car off. I think the radiator is messed up. The antifreeze keep leaking out. I told him, ain't no point you keep putting the antifreeze. We went to Walmart, bought that thing of antifreeze. You know that's not cheap. Keep putting it in and keep leaking out. I said, that's a waste of money. We just park that car and you just get in the Tahoe and we're gonna drop this car off. He's talking, baby, that sure makes sense. I don't know what. I'm just like, I mean, even though we already know we got to spend the money, we got to try to save where we can. So 100, then a 50, a 10, and 3 1. So that's 163. So this probably won't be in here next time you see this envelope, but that's okay. So whatever we may have to add to it, so they make it 500, 550, 560, 123. At least we have $563 already saved. That's the good part about it. Yeah. And the next thing we're gonna stuff is home. I'm only stuffing home because home owes Mrs Vee some money, because I picked up some new lamps and some new rugs to refresh our bedroom. Sometimes you just need to just refresh and just to keep the motivation going with everything just in life. So I wanted to refresh my bedroom, and that's what I did. So home gets, I think I've already done it. Did I already add the money? Nope. Okay, so home's gonna get $100 But I'm going to go ahead and pay myself. Home owes Miss V $94 for those rugs and lamps that I got from Home Goods and TJ Maxx. I inserted a picture of my refreshed bedroom. My husband likes it and I like it. So, yeah. So we're going to put, I'm not even going to put it in Home. I'm going to put it in Miss V. So I owe Home $6 because Home only owed me $100. So I'm going to take $6 out of my envelope and put it in, well, I don't have $6. Well, look at there. Now I owe Home. So I got to put an IOU on Home. I'll get some change after the video. But I'm still going to write an IOU. So, yeah. Sometimes you just have to, well, I like to refresh to kind of keep myself motivated in all kind of ways. Just like how we get these new envelopes. Like I got the new envelope that kind of motivated me to keep going. So, yeah. So I'm going to put that right there for that. And so that's it for this binder. So we're going to go to our low priority binder. And the only thing getting stuffed in here is Christmas. Christmas is getting $100. And so that'll take that total up to $261. But I got $50 out because I took $50 out. But anyway, that leave me with, the real total is going to be $211. I think I'm going to have to subtract that. I'm going to go ahead and subtract it so I don't forget. Because I took $50 out of Christmas. I was going to take it out of Miss V envelope. And then I remember, that's what the envelope is for. I got a Christmas envelope. My sister stated that she wanted one of the planners that the Crafted Budgeter and Taylor Budgets created with the Elevated Company. Their company is called the Elevated Company. They just released a beautiful planner. But you know, I just bought that planner from Mo, Paper by Mo. So I'm loving that one. So, you know, I'm not going to be just all emotional and get another binder when planner when I already have one. But then I still want to support these ladies. So I told my sister, that'll be your Christmas present. So I'll be giving this to her so she can pick up one of those planners. And I'll insert, you know, all the information in this video and on this video. And kudos to you two ladies, the Crafted Budgeter and Taylor Budget, for collaborating on that business venture. I think that's great. I love to see people elevate and elevate others. So yeah, so we're gonna update that. So that's gonna leave me with $211 for Christmas. So you know I gotta get on. I got 5 grandkids. But you know what I say, if it ain't in the envelope, I can't help you. But you know, this is what I'm gonna focus on my next few checks. So that's it for Christmas. And of course, my husband did a little DoorDash. He made like $107. I was gonna put $100 in there, but since we had to put his truck in the shop, I just said I'm gonna put $25 in there. But like he said, when we take the truck out of the shop, this gonna be, if we don't have enough money in our car maintenance fund, he said it's gonna be the first one to go. I said, ooh, that's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. We can always save up for a PlayStation 5, baby. They don't even have none in stock. Everywhere we went, they out of stock. So now he has $175. Hopefully this won't have to go to the car, but it may have to. But yeah, so that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. I done got all my priorities set up. I got this credit card for me to repay my credit card, but I don't never get a chance to put that in the envelope, because as soon as I charge someone with that credit card and get those reward points, whichever one of these envelopes owe me some money, I get it out right then and send that payment right in. So yeah, but it'll still be there. So yeah, that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. So check out Money with Gab. Check out that video. It was very inspirational. Money with Gab, how she went from 0 to 20K. And also check out the Crafted Budgeter and Taylor Budgets, their new planner that's getting ready to drop. They're taking pre-orders, and I think you get like a $5 discount. So yeah, so that's it for this video. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.